Protects paint from scratches, UV rays, and dirt while enhancing gloss, water resistance, and long-lasting shine for vehicle surfaces. My today's video is about top 5 best car ceramic coating sprays that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. Fortify Quick Coat is designed as an all-in-one solution that simplifies car care without sacrificing results. Replacing traditional wax, sealant, and quick detail sprays, it delivers a true wash, seal, and shine experience in just one step. A simple spray and wipe application creates a showroom-quality finish in under 10 minutes, making it ideal for both beginners and detailing enthusiasts. Its advanced nano-ceramic formula is the real highlight. Unlike conventional sprays that merely coat the surface, this product chemically bonds with the clear coat, forming a durable, ultra-smooth hydrophobic layer. The result is impressive water-beating, reduced dirt adhesion, and long-lasting protection that extends for months instead of days. With a rapid 15-minute curing time, users can apply and drive almost immediately. It's safe for paint, glass, chrome, plastics, and vinyl, offering versatile use across all vehicles. Backed by 83,000 plus verified reviews and made in the USA, Fortify Quick Coat stands out as a fast, reliable, and high-performance detailing upgrade. Now our second product is Swift Touchless Ceramic Foamable Wax. Swift Auto Care Touchless Ceramic Wax brings a modern, hassle-free approach to vehicle protection and shine. Designed for use with foam cannons, it eliminates the need for traditional hand waxing. Simply spray on the foam, allow it to dwell for about 2 minutes, and rinse off to reveal a deep, high-gloss finish. This touchless system saves time and effort while still delivering professional-level results. Infused with SiO2 ceramic technology, the formula creates a strong hydrophobic layer that actively repels water, dirt, and road grime. It also provides reliable protection against UV rays and environmental contaminants, helping maintain paint clarity and long-term gloss. Suitable for all vehicle types, including cars, trucks, RVs, and trailers, it works safely across paint, glass, plastic, chrome, aluminum, and even ceramic-coated or vinyl-wrapped surfaces. The versatility makes it a practical choice for full vehicle detailing. Backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee, this product stands out as an efficient, user-friendly, and effective ceramic waxing solution. Our third product is Chemical Guy's HydroSpeed Ceramic Quick Detailer Spray. Ceramic Detail Spray, WC233SW. HydroSpeed SiO2 delivers a fast and effective way to maintain a high-gloss, protected finish between full detailing sessions. Designed as a quick detailer, it instantly enhances shine, slickness, and hydrophobic performance for a wide range of vehicles including cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. Its CO2 infused formula is the key strength, bonding with surfaces to create a durable ceramic layer that repels water, dirt, and contaminants. Beyond standalone use, it also acts as a booster for existing ceramic coatings, waxes, and sealants, helping extend their lifespan while preserving a deep, reflective finish. Application is simple and beginner-friendly. Just spray on a paint, glass, or wheels and wipe with a microfiber towel for streak-free results in minutes. The pH-balanced multi-surface formula ensures safety across paint, chrome, trim, and coated or uncoated finishes. Offered in a value-packed gallon size, HydroSpeed is ideal for both enthusiasts and professionals who want consistent ceramic protection, convenience, and long-lasting shine in one reliable detailing solution. Now number 4. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating. This ceramic wax spray delivers a practical balance of protection, shine, and ease of use, making it a solid choice for regular car maintenance. Its advanced ceramic wax polymers create a durable protective barrier that shields paint from UV rays, dirt, and everyday road contaminants, helping the vehicle stay cleaner for longer between washes. One of its standout features is the enhanced visual finish it provides. It boosts color depth and clarity, leaving behind a smooth, mirror-like gloss that noticeably improves the overall appearance of the vehicle. Alongside aesthetics, the formula excels in water behavior, offering extreme hydrophobic performance where water beads quickly and rolls off the surface, reducing drying time and preventing water spots. Application is straightforward, requiring only a spray and buff process with a microfiber cloth, even usable in direct sunlight for added convenience. It is also versatile, safe for paint, glass, headlights, trim, and wheels. However, it is not suitable for soft convertible tops, making it best for hard exterior surfaces only. And our last choice is Meguiar's Marine and RV Hybrid Ceramic All-Surface Sealant. This hybrid ceramic all-surface sealant is a thoughtfully engineered solution for users who want strong protection without complicated detailing steps. Designed for simplicity, it follows a straightforward spray, spread, and wipe application, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced detailers. It works as a standalone sealant, a protection booster, or even a drying aid, adding versatility to any maintenance routine. Its ceramic-based formula delivers long-lasting protection against UV damage, environmental contaminants, and oxidation. At the same time, it significantly enhances gloss and surface slickness, giving boats and RVs a noticeably cleaner, more polished look. One of its strongest advantages is its impressive hydrophobic performance. Water beads aggressively and slides off easily, making washing and drying much faster and less labor-intensive. Originally developed for marine and RV surfaces like fiberglass and gel coat, it is also safe on paint, metal, vinyl, and glass, increasing its practical value. With minimal product usage needed per application, it offers excellent efficiency and long-term cost savings. Backed by over a century of innovation from Meguiar's, it reflects proven reliability in modern ceramic protection. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.